one, 시작부터. 시작, start, beginning. 시작부터 equal from the very beginning. Ta equal all, everything, completely. Through uri, we, our. In Korean, uri often feels warmer and more inclusive than we in English. 4. Go, casual form of got used with possession, means ours, belongs to us. Full meaning, from the start, it's all ours, or more naturally, it's been ours from the very beginning. 떠나간다, core meaning to leave, to go away with a feeling of departure, continuation away from the speaker. Word breakdown. 떠나다 equals to leave, depart. 가다 equals to go away from the spinda. Present tense statement. 떠나간다 leaves and goes away, departs and moves on. It sounds stronger and more final than just 떠나다. 열기가, 열기, heat, warmth, intensity. 가, subject marker. You're the heat, the excitement. From 식다, to cool down, to lose heat. 지않다, not negative in an adjective form. 식지 않는's uncooling, not cooling down, still hot. Menu equals menu, for. 지금, now, 부터 from, starting from. 지금부터 equals from now, starting. 싹, complete, all, everything. 싹다 equals all of it, entirely, everything. Full meaning. From now on, let's have all the menu items whose heat never cools down, or more naturally in context. Starting now, let's enjoy all the menu items still piping hot. 1. 입맛이다, 입맛, taste, palate, preference. 에다, into, onto, straight into your taste, right on your palate. 때려박아, 때리다, to hit. 박대골, to slam, to drive into, to shove in. Together, 때려박다, to shove forcefully, to hit something straight in, to aggressively push.